Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Thursday, June 2nd, 2022. As you can see that the market continued to rally today to the upside. So the question here is, are we found the bottom? And look like that the market is found the bottom if we're able to put it one more leg up to break out the downtrend line. So that's the good side of the market at bottom out, and we're looking forward to move higher to the upside in the future. Now, at this moment, we need a couple more days so that we can see that the market will be able to do that, right? Otherwise, if the market had failed to make it at this level here, we have still have a potential to pull it back down again. But the momentum, as long as it's still bullish, think it turned to more positive side right now. So that's a good sign that the market may be bottom out right here. Now let's take a look on the NQ, which is the technology stock, which is the key component of the SP 500. So far they found the support and continue to put it up. So tomorrow, if we continue to put it higher, that's a good sign, okay, that the market rebound. Even though they still have a lot of work to do, we are still in a downtrend. But at least we can rally up to see how far, and then we can see that the market is able to stabilize at this level. Look at the Dow. The Dow it also come back very strong here. We need more follow through in the next day or next week, so that we can tell that the market it will carry the momentum to the upside. If you look at the Russell 2000, you can see that they also try to turn around too. So again, we need to put it up, retest the downtrend line here in order to break out for the bull, in order to control the upside again. If you look at the crude oil is still choppy a little bit, but it continues to put it back up. We have a strong resistance in this area here. As long as they can stay to the upside here, with no sign of sell signal, it means that they could continue to put it up to the upside. Gold it also try to bounce it back up. They still have a lot of resistance here at the downtrend line also, but in the short term we're looking for some push it back up here. If you look at the euro, it also try to break out this level here. The first attempt they failed, but today they come right back up. So tomorrow, if they be able to lift it up, and then they can break out and then continue to the upside. Now, if you look at the 11 sector of the SP 500, the material is still doing pretty well after the breakout here and continue to go up to the upside. The communication, which is also found a support at the buy zone, and now they try to put it back up. They still have room to move to the upside for tomorrow and next week. The energy also still hang tight, even though they are at a strong level of resistance here, so they go sideways before they can build another momentum to break out this level. The financial is also try to bouncing back up from the bottom, and if they make another new high, they have some resistance here. If they can clear this one here, they will continue up to the upside. Industrial it also put it up, as you can see here. So the short-term target, we try to test the downtrend line right there. The technology is also gained some momentum today and continue to put it up to the upside to retest the upper bound there. The consumer stable still have something to do here at the downtrend line. They have not break out yet. So if they can clear this downtrend line, they will continue to put it up, okay, to confirm for the upside. The utility is pretty strong after the breakout at level last week, and then they continue to put it up to the upside. The real estate is also again some momentum after power support. Now they continue, if they can clear that area here, they will continue to put it up to the upside also. The healthcare is a little bit choppy, sideways, as you can see here. They up down, but momentum is still hang tight to the upside, but they are a little bit choppy, up down here. The XLY, which is the consumer discretionary, it also gains some momentum. This one it get hit pretty hard, but the last couple of days, the last week, they also try to bounce back up very strong. So we're looking for a short-term bounce to the upside. So if you look at the volatility index, we see that they continue to coming down, which is a good sign for the market. So after they hit to the 38 level here, and now they try to pull back down, momentum is still negative. So the market still continue to put it up on to the upside. Okay, if you look at 10-year Treasury note, you can see that they come back down, but then they put it back up again, but they have a lot of resistance here. So if they fail to make this high here, they can continue to go lower. Okay, so this is important level to watch to see that the Fed will be able to control the inflation here. If they turn around and go down further, that's a good sign for the technology stocks to be rebound. In the meanwhile, a lot of big cap stocks, they also try to find a way to put it back up, like Apple, Amazon, as you can see here, Microsoft, right? They all looking forward to put it up in the short term to the upside. Okay, so that's where you should take it. At this moment, I think that the market is stabilized here in the short term. We can do a short term trade. So a lot of stuff they try to turn around and move up to the upside. So looking for the good stock, strong fundamental, and you stick with it, and you should be able to make some short term put up income here. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you tonight. So this week is a short week. We still have one more day, but momentum will continue to put it up. So if they can carry that momentum, we still have some movement to the upside here. So again, thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast for next week. Take care, everyone.